If you ever wanted to know where to jack up the car for the rear, it's this pinch weld right here. Feels like two metal sheets pressing really hard against each other. That's where I'm going to be putting the jack on to jack this up.
Alright, so I did a bit of research on what socket size you should be removing these lug nuts on the 2017 Focus ST, and on the Focus forums and on Reddit, everybody says to use 19 millimeters, and it is way too large for these lug nuts. I also tried the 18 millimeters, and that's still too big. The 17 millimeters is an extremely tight fit, but I got it to work. I realized that I have unique lug nuts. The type of lug nuts, so people don't steal your lug nuts, where you have a key to remove these special unique lug nuts. However, I do not have the key. It's supposed to be in your glove compartment or where the spare tire is, and I checked both places very thoroughly, and I definitely do not have that key. So I'm assuming at some point in servicing my vehicle, someone used the key and accidentally kept the key. I don't know. However, I did manage to make the 17 millimeter socket work. It was definitely a struggle, and you can enjoy watching me struggle taking these lug nuts off. It's pretty hilarious, but I hope you guys enjoy watching me struggle doing it. Alright, back to the video.
Got two more to get. All right. So we're on the back now, so we need to pop up this tab. Man, these are stubborn. There we go. Okay, got that piece out. Okay, the other clip's off. Alright, now I'm going to unscrew all this stuff. With 4 spacers, so 2 for each side. And then this, it comes with 5 washers for each side. Our 3 new clips. And then 2 long screws and 1 short one. And then I have the matching hardware for the other side. Okay, so now that all the clips are on, we're going to install the flap. So the instructions say to start with this, the most inner side, the short screw with the washer. So I guess I'll listen to them. Maybe I shouldn't have listened to them. Why is this so difficult? Just tighten it a little bit so it hangs on there. All right. Is you go washer through the flap and then a washer on the other side, and then you use the spacer. that through with the washer. I'm putting the washer on the other side, and then the extension, the spacer, and then line up the holes. Try to twist it hand tight, but these are usually kind of difficult to do that with, so I'm just gonna tighten it just a little bit in there. Okay, so I'm gonna put that through, and I'm putting the washer. All right, and the spacer. Okay, and then I get it into the hole and then into the clip. All right, so it's on there pretty sturdy. Pretty happy with that. All right, I'm gonna put all these, I'm gonna put the tire back on, and then I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side. Alright guys, it is daytime, and check out these orange mud flaps. So these are the RokBlokz Mudflaps with the black logo, matte orange. They look pretty sick. Get the emblem, the badge, and the mud flaps. It's all coming together pretty nicely. So I thought when I was installing these, I thought they were gonna be kind of annoying to the eye, but I think they look pretty good. They're not really bright at all. I think they look really nice. Here's the view from this way. I like how you can see the hardware up in here. Looks kind of nice. Overall, I think they look very nice. Definitely makes the car stand out way more than before. Alright guys, I really appreciate you guys watching this, and I will catch you guys in the next video.